wanted to pop on live really quick as I'm about to make a quick and easy dinner for the family. And I'm going to be using the new gorgeous stoneware chip and dip platter. This is actually all stoneware, but it has this gorgeous gray and taupe glaze, which means it can go in the dishwasher. And it goes straight from oven to table, looking absolutely gorgeous over and over. So now I'm going to make a taco ring on this, so I figured why not pop on and show you guys how to make a taco ring or any ring for that matter. I'm just simply going to take some crescent rolls and I'm going to separate the triangles. Now notice I'm not spraying the pan. There's no reason to spray it. It's going to be very non-stick, especially with something like a crescent roll, which is filled with lots of yummy butter and grease, right? So what I like to do is to kind of make it even, and I start at, say, 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock, if we're talking about time here. And then I'm going to go over here to 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. And I'm going to make one of those really funky, pretty suns. You know the suns I'm talking about. The ones that, like the tribal suns. I think that's how it looks. So now I'm going to take the next one, and I'm going to separate the triangles, and I'm going to start filling in the gaps. Okay? Nice and easy. What else would you put in a ring? Tell me. Well, I'll tell you what I like to put in a ring. You could do desserts. You can make a s'mores ring. You could make a cherry cheese ring. I mean, you could just use like canned cherries. Don't make it difficult. It's all about how it's going to look really pretty. This is a great way to serve up tacos because for me, I had crescent rolls, but I didn't have any taco shells. So I was like, And it's nice and easy, especially when you have smaller kids, because they can now pick it up and they're not going to make a mess when they bite into that taco. You know what I'm talking about. So now look, I'm just filling in the holes, and it's filling in the whole thing. So you're going to need 2 tubes of crescent rolls to do this. You can literally clean out anything in your fridge and throw it in a crescent roll and make a delicious braid. Maybe you had a party and you have leftover cold cuts. You could make, you know, something like a stromboli. Leftover chicken cutlets, make a chicken parmesan. So now I'm just going to use my fingers and kind of push it together a little bit and make this nice well. So the well is where you're going to place whatever it is you're putting inside of your ring. And now how gorgeous is it on this platter? Because guess what? After I bake it up, I'm going to put my bowl here and I'm going to put some salsa in it. Maybe you want to put some guacamole. So now in my stainless mixing bowl, I have one of my scoops. This is the large scoop. It's a 3 tablespoon size. I'm just going to scoop up my already cooked meat. It's already seasoned and I put a little cheese in it. And I'm going to put 1 scoop down. And I'm just going to go around the whole thing and scoop it in till the whole bowl is empty. That simple, guys. Would love to hear your suggestions, what you would put in a ring. You could put anything you like. It's such a quick and easy appetizer, dinner. Looks really pretty at a party. It's just a nice presentation. And hey, who doesn't like crescent rolls, right? Just gonna stack it up real good here. Simple enough. You could also do this on, say, our long pans, our bar pans, and you could do it as a braid. And instead of laying it out this way, you could lay it across and braid it. So that's another option as well. What else could you put in here? You could also do beans if you like, if you really want to, you know, beef it up a little bit. You're going to put in some beans. You don't want to put anything that's not going to be able to be cooked, so I don't do like my tomatoes or lettuce or anything. But when you're done, you could put that in the middle as well. If you don't mind hot olives, you could put olives in it. That's another idea. All right, couple more scoops and we're ready to start closing up the ring. I like it really packed. I'm going to pack mine up, get every little last bit of meat in this. Delicious. Okay, now, closing up the ring, it's as simple as this. You're going to take your point, shove it under, and that's it. Boom. How easy is that? It really looks harder than it is. How could something so pretty be so easy? Well, I just showed you. gorgeous are these new sets of stone? We have all sorts of pieces from this new entertaining stoneware. So this can be hot or cold. Like I said, you could do just chips and dips. You could do hot appetizers and some kind of dipping in the middle. I love that it has this option to put your bowl in the middle. Okay guys, look how easy that is. Just that easy. This is ready for the oven. Dinner is that easy. Making a ring is that easy as well. And how gorgeous will it be on this new stoneware entertaining platter? I'll show you pictures when it's all done, guys. Thanks for checking it out.